Hi, this is Max from arbitragehero.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about Keepa price history. But first let's remember what is buy box. Hopefully you already know that buy box is the price which is used to buy a product by clicking buy now button. And you can see that box selected in red on the right hand side. This is what Amazon sellers call a buy box. You need to know that more than 80% of all sales come from the buy box, because not many people go to review all available offers. They tend to click add to basket or click buy now button, and then they pay the price which is displayed in buy box. To be able to sell more products on Amazon, we need to be able to get into buy box most of the time. There are multiple factors which can affect whether you can get buy box or not. I have a separate video earlier in the course about buy box and the factors. So in this case you just need to remember that Amazon has a complex algorithm to calculate buy box, and different factors can affect whether you can get buy box or not. Also, Amazon usually rotates buy box between multiple sellers, and the higher the health of your account is, the better chances you have to win the buy box. So let's get now to Keepa to see what it displays to us with regards to different prices. So here I'm again on the same page for the same product, and you can see that now I have Keepa chart open, and this is a default view of the Keepa chart, which has sales rank, prices of new products, buy box, and you can see also shaded area in orange color, which is showing when Amazon was on the listing. So let's switch off sales rank and leave only prices. There are different prices which you can see on the screen, and the main price which we are interested in is buy box, because this is where we want to get in. And for that you just need to enable buy box and you will see the price in here. Also you can see other prices like new, and usually the new price is the lowest new offer which exists on the listing. And as you can see, quite often the new offer is lower than buy box price, and that's why I personally quite often just ignore that, and I only tend to look at it when there is no buy box available on the Keepa chart. So if I disable it, you can also see used prices here. So if you are selling collectibles or used items, then it would be important for you. I think most people who use that particular setting are people who are selling used books. Also, very important information is to see third-party FBA offers, which I tend to monitor because I personally try to match lowest FBA offers, so I want to see what prices were historically for FBA offers. Third-party FBM offers, which means prices for sellers who are shipping products themselves. Another interesting information is list price, and if you enable it, it is displayed in a brown color, and usually this is the price which is a recommended price by Amazon which you need to use to sell your products. But normally only Amazon matches that price, and usually they try to match that price to available offers in other stores. So if you see a product with a low list price, just be aware that you might be able to find a product in other stores and pay that price to buy it. So it is a very good sign when you find a product with a low list price but with a much higher buy box price on the Keepa chart, because there is a big chance that you can go into Google and find that product somewhere else which you can buy for that list price and then resell on Amazon for a profit. As I mentioned, when you see these orange areas, this is when Amazon have been selling that product, and you can disable those areas by switching off Amazon and then enabling what you. When analyzing prices, I also like to look at statistics, which shows me the average prices. For example, here I can see that Amazon has been selling this particular product with a price of £17.18 on average for last 90 days. You can also see the average price for new offers, which is £15.72. You can also see used prices, which are not very important for me, but if you are selling used items, then you need also to look at these prices as well. Similar to sales rank, you can go to Data tab and see prices for new offers and average price for new offers in 90 days. You can see the current price for FBA offer, which is $17.97. You can see average price for the third-party FBA offers in 90 days. The same you can see for FBM offers, for used offers, for list price. But the most important is that you need to check the average price for buy box. And if average price in last 90 days is suitable for you, then you can go for that product. Another very useful setting which you can check on Keepa is buy box statistics. If you click on that box, you will be able to see different sellers who have been taking buy box recently. And as you can see, for this particular product, only Amazon has been selling that product. If I switch to this product and go to data and go to buy box settings, you can see that here Amazon rotates buy box between different sellers, and because of that, this particular product is more attractive, because I know that I have higher chances to get into buy box because it has been rotated in the past between multiple sellers, and I can get piece of sales for this particular product if I price my product properly. Another very helpful information which you can get from Keepa pricing chart is the price range. By looking at the price range, you can actually estimate what settings to give to your repricer. Ideally, you want to see a range of prices which sits within your suitable range, that even if you sell your product with the lowest price, that you are going to make a profit. So try to find such kind of products, or at least products with a lower range of prices for your break-even price. And once you have established that range from the Keepa chart, you can set those values into your repricer as a minimum and maximum price, and then leave repricer to do the work for you. But everything, including prices and sales rank, has to be analyzed in conjunctions altogether. And in the following video, I'm going to summarize prices, sales rank, and other parameters so you can analyze the products in the most efficient way. I hope this video was useful, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.